Hi, today I'm for with Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer application. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the X-Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. After that, just tap to open the app and here select one from these available applications to change the icon. For example, let's change the contacts icon. You could click here to this edit icon to rename it. Here we got the library with different folders with the icons. You could use them or to use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's select one from these available icons. For example, that will be the contact one. In my case, tap to OK on the right upper corner. So click here to this X icon to skip the videos. Tap to add to home screen. Now we could go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So we got here the new contacts icon. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.